Okay, so Letitia and her husband did this interview. I posted this on Facebook. Keith's baby mother, Ray McCauley, is commenting about the situation. I tried to slow the video down a little bit so y'all could read what Ray McCauley was saying, but she's saying a lot. She's spilling the tea. Um, Again, this is in one of the Facebook Love After Lockup groups. We just post freely on there, like you do on Reddit or any other social site. But yes, so read the comments. Tell me what y'all think. Again, she is Ray McCauley. Yeah.